Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Channel. Today, Max and I are going to a cafe to practice English. Are you ready, Max?
Hi, Anne. Hi, everyone. Yes, I am ready. I love cafes. We can drink something nice and learn English together.
Oh, no. I think I am a little late. My friend is waiting for me. I hope he is not upset.
Don't worry, Anne. Take your time. Let's look for the cafe carefully. Left or right?
I think maybe right? Oh, yes. There it is. I see the sign.
Perfect. You found it. And Jenny, she's probably inside already.
Yes, she is here. I already finished my water. Maybe I should get another drink. Or coffee. Coffee always helps me wake up.
Coffee is magic. Yes, it makes everything better.
Paul, I'm here. I ran a little fast to catch up.
You look like you ran a marathon.
I did, but it was for a good reason. Coffee.
Sit down, relax. Do you want water first, then coffee?
Yes, water first, then coffee. I really need it.
Okay, I'll call the waiter.
Waiter, that sounds serious.
Don't worry, he is friendly.
This cafe looks nice, bright and quiet. I like it.
Yes, very comfortable.
Where should we sit? Inside or outside?
Outside looks sunny, but inside is cooler.
Let's ask the waiter.
Wait! I will try to speak English.
Okay, go ahead.
Excuse me, can we sit inside or outside?
He said, terrace? What does terrace mean?
Terrace is outside with fresh air.
Oh, fresh air sounds good. But I don't want birds stealing my food. Then maybe inside is better.
Yes, let's sit near the window inside.
Okay, please lead the way.
Look, I can see the street and also the menu. So many words.
Don't worry, we can read them together and learn new words.
Okay. What is this word? Beverage?
Beverage means a drink, but not food.
Oh, like coffee, juice, tea, or water.
Yes, you are learning very fast.
I feel like I'm speaking the food language. Maybe soon I can teach English in a cafe.
Maybe. But first, we need to order drinks. Are you ready?
Yes, I think I want orange juice.
Orange juice is healthy. Good choice.
What about you, Anne?
I want a soft drink. Soft drink means no alcohol, like soda.
Great. Can we smoke here?
Only outside on the terrace.
Perfect. Fresh air and no smoke. That sounds great.
Okay, 1 orange juice and 1 soft drink.
While we wait, let's play a little game.
A game? I love games. What game?
We can play a word game. You say a food word, I say a drink word.
Okay, I start. Bread.
Water,
Cheese.
tea,
Fruit.
juice,
Soup.
coffee,
Pasta.
lemonade,
Cake.
hot chocolate,
Sandwich.
milk,
Pizza.
soft drink,
Salad.
smoothie.
Wow, we said so many words. We both win.
Yes, learning and playing together is fun.
Here are our drinks. 1 orange juice and 1 soft drink.
Thank you. They look fresh and cold.
Perfect for a warm day. Cheers to English and drinks.
Cheers. I have a question, Anne.
Yes, what is it?
How do I ask where the toilet is?
Good question. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?"
Excuse me, where is the restroom? Is that polite?
Yes, very polite. You can also say, where is the bathroom? Restroom, bathroom, or toilet, all okay.
Okay. Who should I ask, a waiter or the person at the door?
You can ask either. Sometimes the person at the door is called the hostess.
Hostess.
Yes, she welcomes people and shows them where to sit.
Ah, I understand. So I just smile and say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?"
Exactly. Polite and easy.
Okay, I feel ready.
But don't forget your drink.
Of course.
Let's also learn about people who work here. There is the waiter, the bartender, the chef, and the security.
Bartender makes drinks, right?
Yes, coffee and cocktails.
Chef cooks the food.
Security keeps the cafe safe.
And the hostess welcomes guests.
Perfect. Now we know everyone.
Okay, ready for our drinks?
Yes.
Wow, this orange juice is very fresh.
And my soft drink is cold and sweet. Perfect.
I like learning English while drinking. It is fun.
Me too. Let's practice a little. How do we say more water politely?
You can say, "Can I have more water, please?"
Can I have more water, please?
Perfect. Very polite.
Okay, I think I will try it. Can I have more water, please?
Perfect. You sound very polite.
Thank you. Learning English is fun with games, drinks, and practice.
I agree. Let's also learn some food words on the menu.
Okay, what is this word? Appetizer?
Appetizer is small food you eat before the main meal.
Oh, like a little salad or soup.
Yes, exactly. And main course is the big meal.
Ah, I understand. And dessert is sweet food at the end.
Right. Cake, ice cream, or chocolate.
I love dessert.
Me too. Okay, let's order some food next.
I want something light. Maybe a salad?
Good idea. I think I will try a sandwich.
Sandwich? That is food you put between bread, right?
Yes, exactly. Usually meat, cheese, or vegetables inside.
Oh, I like vegetables. Can we add cheese too?
Of course, cheese makes everything tastier.
And what about a drink for now? Maybe I need a little coffee.
Yes, coffee is good for energy. You want hot or cold?
Hot, please. I need to warm up.
Okay, one hot coffee, please. And for me, one iced tea.
Iced tea? That is cold tea with ice cubes, right?
Yes, perfect for a sunny day.
Waiter, could you bring one salad with cheese, one sandwich, one hot coffee, and one iced tea, please?
Perfect. That is very polite English.
Thank you. I want to learn how to say delicious, too.
Oh, that is easy. Delicious means very good taste.
Delicious. Like this salad?
Yes. You can also say tasty or yummy.
Yummy. I love that word.
Okay, let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. Salad,
Salad.
sandwich,
Sandwich.
delicious,
Delicious.
yummy.
Yummy. I like practicing.
Me too. Okay, shall we play another little game while we wait?
Yes. What game?
Let's do describe and guess. I describe food or drink, and you guess the word.
Sounds fun.
Okay. It is red, round, and sweet. People sometimes make juice from it.
Tomato?
Yes. Good job.
Okay, your turn. I will describe.
Go ahead.
It is cold, sweet, and you can drink it. Often orange or apple flavor.
Juice.
Correct.
Okay, next one. It is white, soft, and you can eat on bread or in salad.
Cheese.
Perfect. You are very good at this game.
Thank you. Learning new words is fun with games.
Yes, and seeing the real food helps remember the words.
Oh, look, our food is here.
Wow, the salad looks fresh.
And my sandwich looks big and tasty.
Mine too. Iced tea looks so cool with ice cubes.
Let's try our first bite.
Mmm, delicious.
Yummy. This salad is so fresh.
And my sandwich is perfect. Very tasty.
I want to ask the waiter something. How do I say, can we move to another table?
You can say, "Can we sit at another table, please?" Very polite.
Can we sit at another table, please?
Excellent. You sound very polite.
Thank you. Maybe we want to sit near the window.
Yes, it is sunny here, but inside is cooler and quiet.
I like learning these polite phrases.
Me too. Let's also practice asking for the bill.
How do I say that?
You say, "Can we have the bill, please?"
Can we have the bill, please?
Perfect. That is very common in cafes and restaurants.
And what about a tip?
Tip is extra money for good service, usually 10 to 20% of the bill.
Oh, I understand. I want to leave a tip for the nice waiter.
Great. Okay, let's eat a little more before paying.
Yes, I still have coffee to drink.
And iced tea for me. So refreshing.
Oh, I see dessert on the menu. Cake, ice cream, chocolate.
Dessert is sweet food at the end of the meal.
I love dessert. How do I ask for it politely?
You can say, "Can I have a piece of cake, please?"
Can I have a piece of cake, please?
Perfect. Very polite English.
Okay, I will try it. Can I have a piece of chocolate cake, please?
Excellent. And I will take ice cream.
Wow, this is so much fun, learning English and eating dessert.
Yes, and we also practiced many words. Appetizer, main course, dessert, beverage, tip, bill.
And polite phrases. Can I have, please? Can we sit at another table, please?
Right. And pronunciation. Salad, sandwich, delicious, yummy.
I feel more confident speaking English now.
Me too. And we had fun practicing with real food and drinks.
Oh, look, at the dessert. Mmm, delicious.
Yummy. Chocolate cake is perfect.
I think we learned a lot today.
Yes, new words, phrases, pronunciation, and how to order in a cafe.
And games helped us remember.
I like learning English this way.
Me too. And now we need to pay.
Okay. Can we have the bill, please?
Perfect.
Look, the waiter brought it.
I also asked for water. Remember, free water on the house means we don't pay.
That is a useful phrase.
Yes, and I practiced asking for it politely.
Today, we learned a lot. Words, phrases, pronunciation, and how to order in a cafe.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Yes, and thank you for watching, everyone.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Easy English channel.
And try these phrases next time you go to a cafe.
Remember, English is everywhere, even in your coffee cup.
Keep practicing and have fun with English every day.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.